Welcome to Christmas in July, you guys. I am so excited about this series. I hope that you guys are excited as well and are finding some inspiration from all of these videos. I am having such a great time just kind of re-editing and watching them all over again. And y'all, just seeing all the memories, like I'm literally tearing up with watching some of these videos because my kids are in them and they've grown so much, so I'm just so excited about this Christmas in July series. But anyway, I am bringing you kind of like a double take today. I'm going to show you how I decorate my kitchen cabinet for the Christmas holiday, and also I am going to be giving you a dining room tour in this video. So y'all know my dining room, it has come a long way and has changed in so many different ways, but I've never really done like a real traditional dining room decorating style. So I just wanted to kind of couple these two videos together because they're in the same color scheme and tones and theme. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and again that you find some inspiration for the upcoming Christmas season.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So all the items that you see here that I am showing you, these are the items that I am going to be using on my shelf. I kind of made my cabinet a shelf, but these are all the items that I am going to be using, and magically they all fit. And I am super excited about them, you guys. Some of them are thrifted, some I did get from Walmart. And Walmart, y'all, don't sleep on Walmart. Their Christmas stuff is amazing and getting better every single year. But I am just going ahead and just adding them in and styling them. Yes, I am decorating my PJs. If y'all don't know, I love to decorate and clean in my pajamas because it's cozy and it's homey and I'm home and this is me. So I do apologize if it offends you, but this is me. I love my PJs and I love decorating, especially for Christmas in my PJs. But anyway, I am just kind of using some neutral things, but adding in a splash of traditional color and decor pieces as well.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh,
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold
up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Yes, I'm coming home to